Okay guys, so tonight we have a Sidney Sleep pillow. We're going to try to see how the crown lift works in it. So you ready? Let's do this. All right. I've heard great things about this pillow, and I think the crown lift is going to work really good in it. This is the first of my series of showing you how the crown lift works in the different pillows. Not to mention, we both get to learn all about these pillows together, right? Nice little bag comes with it, the extra stuffing. And the pillow, ooh, heavy. I like a good firm feel. So it comes with this little preparing your new pillow. Tells you how to how your pillow will work on the type of mattress you have. All very good information. All right, let's get this open. Open. Come on. There we go. Got her popping open. Ooh, that's a big pillow. Ooh, look at her. She is pretty. Ooh, Sydney, I like you. Look at her fluffing up. She's getting all plump. Ooh. Wow, look at her. So, because I have spinal hardware, I'm going to take a lot of this fill out of this pillow and put the crown lift inside. Not sure if I'm going to do a 2-inch or a 1-inch. We shall see. All right, I need a bag to put some of this in. We'll use this bag. We'll use this bag right here for the extra filling to go in. All right, here we go. Taking some filling out. Oh, so you're gonna take it out like this. All right, so I think Ava's getting ready to come visit. Ooh, look at that. All right. Let's get some of this out. Sticks to your clothing, so roll those sleeves up. Ma'am, do you mind? Excuse you. Always getting into trouble over here. Aren't you, Miss Bug? Ava Bug. Ava Bug. I don't know if this is going to fit in this bag. I got to take a lot of it out, so... A lot of stuffing. So let me show you what I'm doing here. I have the 1-inch crown lift and I'm inserting it down inside the fill. So that way the crown lift stays down in here and I still have the fill all around the pillow, how I would want it. Just takes a little bit of time. Get it? See how the crown lift is down in there now? It's actually sitting down into the fill in the pillow. And what that does is that allows the crown lift to stay stable down in here, because one thing you'll find out about foam, so when I put all this foam in here, it expanded. So that's what foam does in your pillow all night long. This foam right here, if you notice, look, watch. I'll squish it down in here real good and then watch it pop up out. See how it's expanding? That's what it does under your head. So think about it like this. I push down on it and I get it all squished down in there. That's like your head laying on it, right? And then watch when I let go. See how it's slowly coming back up and expanding, and it's going to fill the whole bag back up? That's what it does underneath your head all night long. So every time you move, the fill is compressing, and then you move and it expands again. And then it compresses and it expands. And so that is constant movement underneath your neck, underneath your head, all night long. So the crown lift, by going in the center of your pillow, and I put it down inside this fill, that stops that from happening. That now fills that space, and you don't have the constant movement because this is stable and solid beneath the crown of your head. This is what I mean by stop the head drop. So tonight I'm going to try this Sidney Sleep pillow out and see how I like it. And I'll keep you guys posted. And we'll do this every week, a new pillow every week. If you have any suggestions, what pillow you would like to see me do, please tell me in the comments. I would love to get whatever pillows you guys think we should try. Because the crown lift insert works in almost every pillow. That's the beauty of this. That's what's so great about this system. Whatever pillow you have, it works in it. Just like it's working down inside the Sidney Sleep pillow. Perfect. Stop that head drop.